Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I'll show you how to set a stop loss in MetaTrader 5. First, open a trade and let's say buy Bitcoin. New order, click buy, and once your trade is active, go to the chart. Now use the crosshair tool and drag it to the price where you want your stop loss. Then take note of that value. Next, go to the trade tab and press and hold your open position. Then tap modify position. In the SL field or stop loss field, type in that price and hit modify to save. And that's it. Your stop loss is now set, and you should see you should see the line in your chart as you can see there. You can do the same steps for taking profit using the TP field. Simple, right? That's how you protect your trades with stop loss and MetaTrader 5. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Thanks.